Okay, so what we've got here is an equation where the thing we're trying to find, the x, is actually a power. We'll see these later on in the course, but this one you can actually deal with in the same way that you deal with a quadratic, and you can go about it simply. First of all, well, that one's 2 to the power x, that one's 4 to the power x, so what I'm going to do is manipulate that first term. So 4 is 2 squared, so that's 2 squared to the power of x, which becomes 2 to the power of 2x. So that's how we're going to deal with that one. And so what that means is we've got 2 to the power of 2x minus 5 lots of 2 to the power of x minus 24 equals 0. And in previous videos we dealt with the situation whereby the power of the first term is double the power of the second term. So what we'll do, deal with it in one or two ways. Either you leave it as 2 to the power of x and factorise like that. So now we just need two numbers that multiply to make 24 and add to make minus 5. So that's going to be 8, 3. That's got to be a minus, that's got to be a plus. Leaving us with 2 to the power x plus 3 equals 0. 2 to the power x equals minus 3. Now at this point, 2 to the power something makes a negative number. There's just physically no way that can happen. So that can't be a solution. So we've got 2 to the power x minus 8 equals 0. 2 to the x equals 8. Now, again, later on in the course, you'll see logs that will help you deal with powers. But in this particular case, you'd be expected to recognise that clearly there 2 to the power something is 8. That's got to be x equals 3. The alternative to that is to, again, do the same first step. So we end up with this equation here. And then if we do a substitution, let's go for y equals 2 to the power x. That now gives me y squared minus 5y minus 24 equals 0. Factorise. So then we've got y plus 3, y minus 8, y equals minus 3, y equals 8. And then finally that leads us back to reverse the substitution. 2x to the power x equals minus 3. 2 to the power x equals 8, and then from there we've got our x equals 3 as before, ignoring that one.